So let's go take a look at the kitchen and see what we've done in the last week. A lot of work has been done in the last week. Look at these floors. Oh my God, they look so beautiful. That ceramic tile there. There was nothing when we started the project. If you remember, the walls wasn't there or wasn't complete. The ceiling wasn't there. We put up a ceiling, as you can see. Nicely done drywall job. Paint is still wet, but we finished up the drywalling, put up the ceiling, fixed up all the broken walls and areas wherever it was, even in this nook. Look at that. Beautiful job. And this floor, I love it. And then look, all these cabinets that came with the house, if you remember. It's all up, ready to go with the countertop. Can't go wrong, man. All this done, we did in a week. That's a great job. I'm really happy.